The short video is about, what is ITIL, and ITIL is a best practices framework for managing IT services. It was defined with an objective of aligning IT with business by Office of Government of Commerce UK. It is being widely adopted all over the world, as a popular standard for help desk and support operations. ITIL is the collective knowledge based on the experience of the IT managers around the world. In simple words, it is like getting advice from your friends about the best restaurants in town, or about the best place to stay before planning your vacation. Itil V2 has two modules, Service Delivery and Service Support. Service Delivery focuses on strategy for managing IT. Service Support offers best practices for running IT operations. There are two ITIL books, for Itil V2, Service Delivery Processes commonly referred as the Red Book. Service Support commonly referred as the Blue Book. Service Support is the most widely used modules, and it is easy to deliver value. Our focus is going to be on Service Support. Service Support has the following processes and functions: Incident Management, Problem Management, Change Management, Release Management, and CMDB. The latest version, Itil V3, focuses on Service Lifecycle Management. The core modules of Itil V3 are Service Strategy, Service Design, Service Transition, Service Operation, and Continual Service Improvement. Itil V2 processes can be modified to meet Itil V3 requirements. There are a lot of synergies between Itil V2 and V3, and here is a simple diagram that shows the common modules. Incident is a disruption in the normal service. The goal of incident management is to restore normal services as soon as possible, with resolution and recovery. The goal of change management is to control and manage approved changes with accepted risk. Change management process has different phases: planning, approval, forward schedule of changes, release management, and post-implementation review. Changes can be classified into different types based on the risk and impact on business. Standard change: these are pre-approved low-impact changes that can be instantly rolled out. Minor change has minimal impact and can be approved by change manager or emergency board in the change manager's absence. Major and significant changes are high-impact changes that require cabin change manager's approval. Make a plan about how you are going to make a change after analyzing all the impacts and risks. Send your plan for approval to the stakeholders. The stakeholders are called CAB, Change Advisory Board. When a critical change is required, the CAB members make a collective decision whether to roll out a change or not. Depending on the size of the company, there can be one or more CABs. The CAB is usually chaired by the COO or the CEO. FSC is forward schedule of changes. All the approved changes need to be published to the stakeholders and users to educate them about the change and when the particular service will be down, so that they can plan accordingly. The goal of release management is to break the change into different tasks and roll out smoothly. Users need to be informed about the change in service availability. In every change in plan there are always glitches and complications on the ground. All glitches and implementation complications are captured. This helps the next change plan. The goal of problem management is to find the root cause of incidents and reduce the impact on business. It is a proactive approach that prevents recurrence of incidents. Problem management brings strategy to your help desk, as you can group incidents that have similar problem and find a common solution. If 3 users report the same problem about VPN, you can group it, handle them as one problem and find a solution. When the problem is closed, the related incidents can be closed or the related incident technicians can be informed that the problem has been resolved. Configuration Management Database has complete record of all the components of IT services. A configured item can be physical servers or software or user, or even the process. CMDB also hold how CIs are related to one another. Here is a simple example of how ServiceDesk Plus can configure the CMDB and help. When one of your critical servers crash, CMDB provides all the information you need to restore the service. What are the physical properties of the server? Software, application, and service pack versions installed in the server and their relationships. Who is using the server, etc. With that, we come to the end of this demo.